Hello, good morning to all of you. Welcome to our platform eduran.co.in. This is okay, just a minute. Yes. So, this is a MPPSC paper 2024 actually we are discussing today. So, first question is in human beings disorder caused due to trisomy of 21st chromosome is Down syndrome. Option B. Chromosome 21 causes Down syndrome, extra copy of chromosome 21. So, second question National Health Policy 2017 identified coordinated action on seven priority areas for improving the health. Which option is not included under the seven priority areas? So it's a Yatri Suraksha, Nirbhay Nari, Annapurna schemes. Okay, so Yatri Suraksha is not part of the seven priority areas listed in NHP 2017. So question number third, which pulse causes letharism when consumed on a regular basis? It's a option A, Kesari dal. Kesari dal consumption can cause letharism. Kesari dal. So, in 2017, which satellite launched vehicle of ISRO successfully launched 104 satellites in a single flight? It's the option D, PSLV C-37. Okay, in 2017, ISRO's PSLV C-37 launched 104 satellites in a single flight. Ozone layer thickness is measured in. It's option B, Dobson unit. Ozone layer thickness is measured in Dobson unit. So, the number of cervical vertebrae in a human body is option 7. It's a B option 7. The number of cervical vertebrae in a human body is 7. Okay. In which area was India's first interplanetary mission to planet Mars launched successfully in 2013? So, now question number 8. When did the Government of India pass the Water Prevention Control Pollution Act? Question number 8. The correct answer is option A, 1972. In 1972, the Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act was enacted in 1974, but the Central Pollution Control Board was formed earlier. Commonly, the act year is 1974 versus option D should be the correct answer. 1974. Okay. When did the Government of India pass the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act? 1974. Okay. Now question number 9. According to SDZ, India Index 2018, SDZ 1, SDZ 2, and SDZ 9 represent respectively no poverty, option A, no poverty, zero hunger, industry, innovation, and infrastructure. So SDG 1 is no poverty, SDG 2 is zero hunger, and SDG 9 is industry, innovation, and infrastructure. In the aquatic in the aquatic ecosystem of a pond, which of the following component is represented by fungi, bacteria, and flagellates? These are basically decomposers. Fungi, bacteria, and flagellates are decomposers in a pond ecosystem. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court of India declare the prevalence of fundamental right over directive principles of the state policy in case of conflict between the two? Correct answer is option A. Golaknath versus State of Punjab 1967. Which one of the following statement is not correct? In case of differences of opinion amongst the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners, the matter is decided by the law commissioner. So, statement is A is incorrect as difference among election commissioner are not decided by law commissioner. The commissioner decides by majority. That's a B option. The election commissioner cannot be removed from their office except on the recommendation of the chief election commissioner. An amendment of the Constitution shall require to be rectified by the legislature of not less than one half of the state. In such amendment seeks to make changes in Article 243A. Recording, please.
Balilete puchira, balilete puchira. Watch the bandit one face.
Now we come to question number. Constitution shall require to be ratified by the legislatures of not less than one half of the state. The correct answer is C. If such amendment seeks to make changes in Article 243A. Which among the following articles speaks about impeachment of the President of India? C. Article 61. As per Article 76 of the Indian Constitution, the President shall appoint a person to the Attorney General for India who is qualified to be appointed a judge of the Supreme Court. Option C. K. M. Munshi was related to Hindu Court Bill Drafting Committee. Option D. Under whose advice can the President of India declare emergency under Article 352? Option D. Council of Ministers. The Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Good Governance and Policy Analysis is in. That is option A. 19th, consider the following statement. Um, it shall be the duty of the Advocate General to give advice to the government of the state upon legal matters. The Advocate General shall hold office during the pleasure of the cabinet. Which of the statement given above is correct? Only one option. It shall be a duty of the Advocate General to give advice to the government of the state upon legal matters. The list of powers, authority, and responsibility which may be entrusted to the panchayat is given in the 11th schedule. Option A. Bhima tribe lives in which of the district of Madhya Pradesh? Bhima tribe. Option B. Mandala and Dindori. Mandwara festival is celebrated by the Gonds. Okay, option A. Mahanayak Tatya Mama is related to which tribal group? It's a option C. Bhil. Mahanayak Tatya Mama is related to Bhil. Freedom fighter Raghunath Singh Mandaloi is related to the Bhilala tribe. Who is late Sri Badal Bhoi? He is a famous tribal social worker, Sri Badal Bhoi, famous tribal social worker. Which award is given to women for tribal, folk, and traditional art by the Madhya Pradesh government? Option B. State level Shikhar Award. Which award is given to women for tribal, folk, and traditional art by the Madhya Pradesh government? It's a state level Shikhar Award. Birha is a popular folk song of which group of tribal women? It's a Gond. Birha. Birha folk song is popularly among Gond tribal women. Which award is given for writing on the cultural tradition and specialities of tribal life in Indian literature? Veer Shankar Shah, Raghunath Shah National Award. Option B. Which award is given for writings on the cultural traditions and specialists of tribal life in Indian literature? It's a Veer Shankar Shah Raghunath Shah National Award, in whose name is a self employment scheme being run for tribals in Madhya Pradesh. Option C. Birsa Munda. Okay. The year of establishment of Vanya, the publishing house of Tribal Affairs Department, is 1965. Option A. What was the lower ceiling of statutory liquidity ratio which were amended in 2007 by the Government of India? Option A 24%. What was the proportion of external debt in the gross domestic product at the end of September 2023? 18.6%. Which percentage of all factories in India were located in Madhya Pradesh in the year 2017 and 18? Less than 1%. What and when was the first G20 summit held? It's option B, Washington DC 2008. Unnati Agri GIS project of Madhya Pradesh government is for option B, leveraging technology like satellite imagery and drone data to facilitate informed decision making in agriculture. The Samagra Siksha Abhiyan has emerged from the amalgamation of which of the following scheme? Option C, Sarva Siksha Abhiyan, Rashtriya Madhyamik Siksha Abhiyan, and Teacher Education. The Samagra Siksha Abhiyan has emerged from the amalgamation of which of the following scheme? It's amalgamation of the Sarva Siksha Abhiyan, Rashtriya Madhyamik Siksha Abhiyan, and Teachers Education. In the year 2022 to 23 on comparing the per capita income of Madhya Pradesh and that of India on the basis of advanced estimate at constant 2011-12 prices, we find that option B, per capita income of Madhya Pradesh is lower than that of India. Okay. GI tagged Chinnor rice is primarily produced in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Sihor. Option C. Match the following district of Madhya Pradesh with their unique product. It's a B option. We'll see. Ashok Nagar is in related with the Chanderi sarees. Khargon is related with Maheshwari sarees and Tiger print. And sorry, yes, and Burhanpur is related with the bananas production, and Mandsaur is related with the garlic production. So, according to Niti Aayog, SDZ India Index 2020, how are the different categories of state performance in sustainable development goals defined on the basis of index score ranges? Range. Option B, aspirant 0 to 49, performer 50 to 64, front number 65 to 99, achiever 100. Okay. Unix operating system. Sorry, it's the central part of the Unix operating system is option B, kernel. 42 question. A dash attack comes in the form of deceptive emails or text messages that may ask you to install software or divulge personal information. It's a phishing. A phishing attack comes in the form of deceptive emails or text messages that may ask you to install software or divulge personal information. Currently is an social networking site. Currently is a social networking site or platform available description list it as a social networking. Okay. The imitation game was the original name of the Turing test. The imitation game is the original name associated with the Turing test. The founder of Twitter is Jackie Dorsey. हिमांशु इधर आ बेटा अपना सामान उठाओ जल्दी से क्या ना मानो क्या सीख रही हो ना ये अपना शॉप उठाओ ना छोड़ो झाड़ू में चला जाएगा बेटा उठा के ठीक करो भैया झाड़ू लगा रहे ना The founder of Twitter is Jack Dorsey. What are the four pillars of e-governance? Four pillars are people, process, technology, resources. Option A. A social networking site for professional and business people who wish to connect with other professionals is LinkedIn. Okay. The branch of artificial intelligence is machine learning. Option D. The MPEG stands for Moving Picture Experts Group. Question number 49. The correct answer is option B. That's a moving picture experts group. In the field of internet, W3C stands for World Wide Web. It's a consortium. Consortium. Option D. According to 2021-22, the area and the production of wheat occupies which place among cereals in Madhya Pradesh? In which district of Madhya Pradesh was the production of soybean initially started? Devas. Soybean production in MP initially started in Devas, Central Plains. Okay. In which of the following industries rock phosphate use? Rock phosphate. It's option B. Fertilizer industry. Rock phosphate is used in the fertilizer industry. The southeastern part of Madhya Pradesh receives maximum rainfall from Bay of Bengal branch of monsoon. Option B. Black soil in Madhya Pradesh is formed by which rock? It's a basalt. Black soil in MP is formed primarily from basalt, Deccan trap derived. When was bamboo nationalized in Madhya Pradesh? 1964. The southern part of Vindhyan scarpland is called Maikal Plateau. Bharat Electrical Limited. Bhopal was established. BHEL. Which country? Option A. Germany. BHEL had collaboration from Germany during early setup. Most sources name Germany. According, just a minute, yes. According to 2011 census, which district has the highest percentage of urban population? It's a option C, Bhopal. Bhopal had the highest percentage of urban population. In which of the following irrigation project do four states have partnership? It's a Bansagar project. Bansagar project involves partnership between four states: Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan. What is the name of the author of the historical novel Durgesh Nandini, written in Bengali language? It's a Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who appointed Keshav Chandra Sen as a chief acharya of Brahma Samaj? Devendranath Thakur. During which movement did Gandhiji call for boycott of the Prince of Wales? It's a non-cooperation movement. In the administration system of the Mauryan period, Pradeshta is related to which department? Revenue department. For whom did K.M. Panikar say that he was the first diplomat of modern India? Option A, Dadabhai Naroji. In which Vedas are Sabha and Samiti included as separate institution? Yajurveda. Option D. There was a provision for reciting which mantra in the Upanayan ritual of the Kshatriya caste. Option A. Jagati mantra. Where is the most famous Kailash temple located among the cave temples? Option B. In the cave of Ellora. Which of the following Vedas was the earliest composition? It's a Riga Ved. Option A. What is called Antaranga Sadhana under Ashtang Yoga? Option D. Dharna. Okay, we'll match the following pairs and identify the correct quote. Rivers and area of origin. So, option uh, first is a Kaveri. Kaveri is originates from Mewar Hills. Second, Sabarmati originates from Chota Nagpur Plateau, and Tapti. Tapti originates from Brahmagiri Hills, and Damodar originates from sorry, Tapti originates from Satpura range, and Damodar originates from Brahmagiri. So option B is correct. Kaveri is Mewar Hills. Okay. Sabarmati is Chota Nagpur. Tapti is from Satpura range, and Damodar is Brahmagiri. Which of the following two states of India have more than 50% of the total country's coal reserve? It's Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Okay. Option C. Odisha and Chhattisgarh have more than 50% of the total country's coal reserve. In the year 2021 and 22, which state of India had the first rank in production of pulses? Madhya Pradesh. In 2021-22, Madhya Pradesh had the first rank in production of pulses. Out of these, which state has the largest deposits of bauxite? Orissa. Which of the following statement is not correct? EI9 is an ocean current which appears off the Peru coast. EI9 weakens the Indian monsoon. EI9 occurs option C. Okay. Okay. Now, from the following states of India, which was the largest producer of rice in the year 2021 and 22? It's a West Bengal in 2020 rice production. Okay. Which of the following is the longest river? Kaveri, Tapti, Narmada, Son. It's a 77. Option C, Narmada. From the following, which cyclone struck the western coast of India in the year 2021? Cyclone Taukete. Option B. Arrange the following mountain peaks in ascending order according to their height. It's first Anaimudi, then Guru Shikhar, then Mahendragiri, and then the Panchmari. So Panchmari is the highest one, and Anaimudi is the lowest in height. According the census year of 2011, which of the following state of India had the lowest density of population? Arunachal Pradesh has the lowest density of population. Which of the following statements are correct about Rani Durgavati Shri Anna Protsahan Yojana? Option A. It promotes millets in Madhya Pradesh. Who among the following are nominated to Rajya Sabha by the President of India as a 12th member in the year 2024? Option C. Sudha Murthy ji. Who is a para cano athlete from Madhya Pradesh who was awarded the Arjun Award in 2023? Prachi Yadav, para cano athlete from MP awarded it Ajima Award in 2020. Sorry, it's in 2023. Prachi Yadav, para cano athlete from the Madhya Pradesh, who was awarded the Arjun Award in 2023, was Prachi Yadav. Who among the following is associated with traditional march singing style? It's option A. Kaluram Bamania. Who is the recipient of the 2023 International Prize in Statistics, equivalent to a Nobel Prize in Mathematics? It's a okay. International Prize in Statistics is equivalent to the Nobel Prize in Mathematics. It's a Nan Ladd, who in the year 2024 become the youngest player ever to win the FIDE candidate tournament. D. Kukesh. In which district is Lamheta village located where the Geo Park is said to be established? Lamheta village is in Bhopal. Geo Park is going to be established in this. Who among the following has been appointed a chairperson of Lokpal of India in 2024? Sri Justice Lingappa Narayana Swamy. 89. Where is the world's first Vedic clock installed? Option C. Ujjain. Okay. The winner of the five test matches cricket series held between India and England from January to March 2024 was India by India by 3-2. So India won the cricket series in 2024. Match the following freedom fighter with their areas of revolution. Raja Mardan Singh, Raja Daulat Singh, Raja Bhaktawali, Murad Ali. Okay, these are the freedom fighters, and their areas of revolution are okay. Nimawar, Bhanpur, Shahagar, Mau. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Raja Mardan Singh, he revolted from Nimawar. Okay, Raja Daulat Singh, he was from Bhanpur, and Raja Bhaktawali is from Shahagar, and Murad Ali is from Mau. Where was the first literacy reference to Narmada River found? A. Sat Pat Brahman. Sat Pat Brahman. 93. Which Chalcolithic site is also called the birthplace of Varamihira? Varamihira. 93. It's option Nabda Toli. Okay, which of the following pairs is false? Question number 94. Bori is in Hoshangabad. Yes. Karera is in Shipuri. Ghatigao is in Indore. And Gango is in Panna. I think the correct answer should be okay. Dear. 94. Ganga. Ganga is not in the Panna. Which genre is Shankar Rao Pandit associated? Shankar Rao Pandit is associated with sitar instrumental playing. What is a Sutradhar of Gamath folk theatre called? Thotaya. Thotaya. What is a Sutradhar of Gamath folk theatre called? Thotaya. In which district is a Mohankheda Jain Tirth located? It's option A. Devas. Mohankheda Jain Tirth is located in Devas district. Which statement is false regarding the Dashpur inscription of Kumar Gupta and Bandhavarman? Is false. Okay. In this inscription, there is mention of the construction of Surya temple by a group of silk weavers. Okay, this is correct. This is the oldest example of advertisement tradition in Bharat. In this inscription, Dashpur has been called Paschimpur also. This inscription was composed by Bhavabhuti. Okay, option D. 99. What is Kohabar? The author of Yashoda Mans Samdhani inscription. Option D. Ravi Kirti. Okay. So this was the MPPSC paper 2024 that I discussed today with you people. So this was a MPPSC 2024 paper 1 that I have discussed with you, GK paper. And So we are just trying to go through the old question papers because chance of repetition of questions is there. So please, it's bit difficult for us, right? For us for dentists, because we are not so much aware of this field actually. But still, I have tried to give you. Okay, so easy questions can come to us. Okay, so I'm Dr. Inki Sisodia, and I'm your host at the platform dentalpura.co.in. If you are preparing for the MPPSC dental surgeon exam, you can join our platform and for dental subjects preparation as well as MPGK preparation. We'll do our best to give you the best to make you successful. Okay, thank you so much. So let's end this meeting. Bye bye.